Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Temu, how to change free gift. So guys, before we begin, you can click on my link in the description below to get a $100 coupon bundle or use my code to get a 30% discount on Temu. And guys, remember that the $100 coupon code bundle and the 30% discount is only for Temu new users. Now, with that said, once you are on Temu, first thing that you will do is tap on the U icon on the middle of the screen. And from here, guys, just simply go for earn credits and free gifts. And from here, as you can see at the very top, you will have here get 5 free items. So tap on that. So in order for you to change the free gift, I'm gonna pick an item first. So let's say I'm gonna pick this shaker and tap on pick the gift. And now, as you can see, we have a free gift. So in order for you to change the free gift, just simply tap on that item. So I'm going to tap on the first on the bottom left of the screen. And as you can see, you will have the delete button over here. So just tap on the delete button. And as you can see, you'll be able to remove it. And from there, you can just simply select a new free gift that you prefer. So I'm going to pick on this watch. And as you can see, just simply select the color and tap on pick the gift. And from there, you'll be able to change the free gift. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya!